McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Hello, Ghana. Hello. Once again, I'm bringing you McBrown's kitchen. Ediana pa, Ed. That is good food. It's tasty. McBrown's kitchen. Ediana pa de. And neso ya sai shebio. And ne baba musician fi enti de nyom and be no ediane no. Ane and ne men kasa pi because you have simple food. Me de aseda ema high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. And now, Tasty Tom, more jollof. Tasty Tom, good for you. Sana minya delay so about board. Delay mackerel. Nampado penim. Delay sardine peche like that. Minina ye juma. Mina zen food spices. Ma wadiane nye de. Ma ukunun tesa wo no aduane. Ma spices ahodi wom. Emra wadiane. Men these spices be akeke. Eye Mina zen food spices. And sana Indomie instant noodles. Indomie for me damn one say. And then you have special food. I was your for. And then me fridge you want you come on. Usha awake purified water. High sense fridge and they chilling on what you say. Into awake and then on the yenum. And ensure utobakwa keketua bi kwalebu cardio center. Na boy nyina wunim there. Yonko da no da. Sana te but me ho asiesie beautiful and a sheme wegi royal couture and asiesie me ho kama royal madam ase. Menim de obi anim sa allergy na sano a allergy na asiesie mu kama. Aseda kase emma nyonyo food. Nyonyo dwene me ne me kiri ho nti o supply aduane free. Nyonyo nyame nhira. Ansa na apple pie publicity. McBrown's kitchen. Ye billboards nyina. Omuna yema yen. Sana upo bi amna design ubi or branded or car. Bia billboard to share apple pie publicity. Minti ma discount. Asida bio enkoma La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. Adofo na nama McBrown ye. McBrown's kitchen. Ye twa hu sesi aba. Ye ba pe enaduane pa de. Me da hase.
Wo mabusi amono. Obia pa de pa bebre.
I'm home.
Me dear, ade pe bia ye ma mabusua no. Me pe no bebre. Enu ti e ba na aduane no ade a. Me use so Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. Enya aduane no de keke o. Enyane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber. Ye ma nipadua no wo mu. When you ne chi die bio na me hwehwe.
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use enriched Tasty Tom. Tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty Tom. Emediane yede. Eyema also.
High sense. Everyday price.
World Cup no dey yan qualify. Let us here. Anu interest yen timi hwe bi. High sense TV wo hoy. Ye ba hwe na ya hwe no clear. 8th April, I copy World Cup na wiye. High sense TV bia, size bia. Ya titis wa ma say. Eno na waka no. Say, high sense dia. Wo dia asem o. Me dia ni ji sema san ya ba. Bora high sense showroom bia. TV na ya titis no. Ko Tobi, nenya o DSTV, Go TV, Kwese TV decoder. Free. The choice is yours. Russia 2018 there. What show high sense TV so therefore? And TV I will tell you about 5 years warranty there. High sense near the bio. Let that suit High sense, official sponsor of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Mommy, me how? I don't know what my was saying. That's fine. There's a band out here, Bianni. Oh, I can say one. I mean, catch it up. Men as food spices. And no na sisi a ɛyɛ trick no. Wo ba pa bia ɛsɛ sɛ wonya bi wo kitchen. Sɛ de be ya wo bintimi kwaji uku. What I say? Na ya da be obefi ha wo didi. One way. Menazen jollof flavor. Menazen chicken flavor. Menazen fish flavor. Na de e de wo any lion's nutmeg powder.
Menazen food spices. Wa shema warrior mama.
Men say na obi nyukum if it's with menazen any lion's nutmeg powder. When we cry
Naturally, there is a meek to everyone. Everyone has a unique strength. Everyone comes with a unique spice. That unique spice that urges you to slice more out of life. Your ingredients are unlike any other. And when they come together, they create a whole new wonderful you. It's your way. Love it your way. Indomie tastes great.
Indomie 70-gram pack is only 1 Ghana cedi.
Sɛ yɛka yɛn nsa bɔ mu a, ɛno na ɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛyɛ baako. Ɛno na ɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛgyina hɔ, yɛgye tum, yɛka bom yɛ baako. Ɛfiri sɛ yɛn nsa ka bɔ mu a, yɛn akoma nso aka abom. Na sɛ yakoma bɔbɔ mu a, nneɛma a ntumi nyɛ yie, tumi yɛ yie. Awake purified drinking water bottle baako biara a wobeto no. Yɛde sika no bi boa National Cardio Center a ɛwɔ Kolebu. Kasapreko Company Limited nsa no adwuma pa baako ni. Awake purified drinking water, one for life.
McBrown's Kitchen. Ediane pede. Adofo me mama kwa babio. Me can see a simple food, right? Into no, mami fan je enhia me madam for dada. Me nua be madada. I mean Oba mu behu se minim no pa ne minim no musician ba ko a ofri Kumasi a wate Kumasi anim ai musicians be brave few about ya tiada but still ono de ose no obefoa de mpemfo adi kan ye so na still wa fight hard. Come on Mr. DJ, are you ready? Play me my music. Flow. I was here for Stone. Flowking Stone. Am I? Oh, what's happening, sir? Yes. Thank you, Mr. DJ. Flowking Stone. Come on. Miami dear. Sacrum.
In the place.
We are representing. What's that?
Full vim.
Yeah, me yabano.
And you have a chemo Driani.
Yeah, the new. Romeo Julia.
I want to be the kitchen.
We so no so secret me them.
And just a good one. Me and Casadio. Maybe to say a Ramunamu quine and the idea no fufu and the other family what they are. But who said they proceed to 2 more today? And they will be simple.
San tell us, Vano. And
I say, Bununia, they are dealing in a But say, I will call in room almost so many yanam. It tells you to put it simple here. Then it's 10 years we are what Umuko. And about course, I won't go to my grand. I'm just stop by 2 touring. I just say, and 1 engine. I said, Stone, Flowking Stone. I told 2
How why? Big up. Now, yeah. Flo. And the one about McBrown's kitchen.
Sir.
Me kitchen new.
I have it.
Unsa. Ebi sida. Ebi sida. Bemena, menu say ebenu aduan ba yenye quick. Na yen horo yensa.
But na wo say ensa hohoro no. Ensa isimo no ye we asi horo yensa.
Oh, okay.
Eyi microorganisms ni nyina. Te no no yi ever say soap no ba. Na ubie nsuo ne sa. Odi kan ye we no a. So no asaye say no. Asa na odi afechire. Enti ye hohoro yensa sa kwa.
Na say no so be.
Na no aye say na ka ho. Nana.
Say one say a teacher for student to me smart.
When my human team so be me kakra na. Etu be the sarnas afi microorganisms be umbiano. Efrim.
Say they come micro that doctor na.
Bacho biochemistry kakra
Biochemistry no we do na we.
Oh there be ye no won say he say everyone say obi yare so health sector no. Because obi yare ye no you could deep into ade no chese friend say ade e course ye no. You could basics nim.
Okay, compare yare chrono.
Exactly. And say a food side I'm just me kind of basically and I'm go I say. And a food side so yo into a normal I make it the nutrition near that there side.
And
exactly.
One wouldn't no Flowking Stone, flow fashion boha.
Are you?
No not the baby.
Yo.
Flowking Stone or monium keke. Was I a biochemist? Say. Of course,
Osa no aduane.
Flo na ebe no ade.
Say na vese ya abodi ti amama ntimi mo aduane no but mebo. Won say empempi no. Aya na nkofo dwen say indomie no ne ade no na nya aduane.
Okay.
But won say senior your life no see fast tutu kwan ne ade no.
Yes.
To the boy who hear aduane bi a with my quick.
And
but exactly.
Okay.
But the catch and say ayana be aduane bi sa no ya e wo say a balance.
Okay.
Oh in nutrition no you wo ratio a wo say aduane esiye.
Okay.
Wo he Ghana wo bo say aduane a yedi no se Ghana de be ka so didi ana se fufuo kakraka pa na se bia banku kakraka bo say kire the pressure na ade abai so. But se o balance aduane no a what the vegetables ne doso ebe say be 1/3 of the food.
Okay.
Na carbohydrate na kakra bi. Na fe enam kakra bi. Na vegetables na
balance indomie.
Exactly. Tene be indomie obi anim. But indomie no they fra vegetables no.
Okay.
Na yama vegetables no adoso wom. Na chese a balance.
And then pamcho biochemistry in the house.
It's way a Flowking special vegetable indomie. The other person should be a fast also.
Indomie. Wow. Flowking special vegetable indomie.
Sir.
And no baba, you know. Thank you for this education. Flo. And then I said, "What do you know? Shall I change me?"
Debbie, where
indomie say there. Would you see just for 3 minutes? What's your word in temper now? Flo, yeah, boy ingredients.
Yeah, I know the indomie side, Nini, but and you use chicken in tea.
Okay, indomie. Your indomie pepper flavor on your pepper chicken.
Exactly.
Intinimi and I allowed.
Exactly. Okay. And your chicken flavor no.
Oh, Minazen food spices. Ooh.
And yeah, oil no susu ni.
Yeah, oil ni.
And me sure since come do a member no. Yeah, oil ni ha. And we susu say me di kan ka bibi about nutrition. Your bibi we body mu cholesterol ne ade ana high in bebre. But your nuane no bi to say ginger any garlic. Okay. Any onion. Okay. Yes. Omo group bi mu especially garlic ni onion no. Omo group bi mu na ginger wo group bi mu. Sa group no mo reduce cholesterol for your body nim. Eti me de sa normal me sa na
ginger, garlic, onion.
Exactly.
Ya fryer blended.
Sa.
Biochemist in the house. Flowking Stone.
Enkasa.
No
see and a chicken no susu.
Yeah, chicken. Yeah. Where you boneless.
Yes, boneless chicken.
Exactly. Yes.
Eti aye ho adwuma dada.
Yes. And now vegetables.
And vegetables no kra no say nana empempi nana kofonim vegetables no color bia ni dwuma edie.
Oh, okay.
It is a fruit. So flavors the fruits no more the yellow no. E wo dwuma edi wo body nim. The green no nyina. It is a who the vegetables are. Yes we benya different colors. It we know your a green ones green beans wa.
Okay.
And your carrots.
Okay.
And your tomatoes and your onion.
Yeah.
And me kono kwa wa different types. Nana and your we know na chese.
The pepper.
Exactly. No so come.
Green pepper nya.
It we a senior boo. Ono ba GBBia.
Atum. It is starting say yanko.
It we make my friend senior boo.
Senior boo. Abusia for Flowking Stone. Omonium keke osayo biochemist. I'm proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Obi nim se wo abotre ko school sa. Oh, the school kwa yo. But I'm proud of you. Inti na baba be ye Flowking Stone special vegetable indomie. Flo ye best start to say.
Nana we know me person soja na mommy.
Okay. Ba wonim se mayo boni o. Flo
ka bibi anche me.
There be no say
na bibi asi
no. Between months you know.
Ampa.
What you say? Me orange juice, me apple. Flo the obenum bia o dia.
For now them say isuo no
beba. Isuo no ye ho. Ai. Isuo no ye. Isuo no say dey say ba we come say dey o kasa ne dey ampa. Me so me recommend I wake am.
I wake you see you papa.
I wake purified.
And I say na me say aboneduane na anya die ma tiefu hu. Do ba tasty bia no. Anya die ma no ma tiefu.
Obi I have for very. Ba me kwa me di. I have ba me kwa na me.
O kwa na me di. Eti anya da nyinya woni bisra. Adaro ma nyinya woni.
Obi atimi abunabun dey stretch.
Eti yesu ade ba ye dwuma no so ni.
Esu kwa metimi am obi wa but sauce me.
Where the me ankasa me no o me das.
In the meantime, what's mean so janama, all right?
Yes. Nti we so janama me kakra na anwe be so oboa me ho.
No, we no munsuo ni na ye waduane no.
Sao.
Ai. Munsuo ni wo de wi am.
Me fam favem.
Favem ye waduane no ai. Because said there was a cheche mu de wanya dum.
Na ma ya semu na.
I was here for ye try anum kakra esi ache. Enyam ya esi ache pa. Flows in soja ma ho.
Ai, we.
All right, now let's go.
Enti now say na beso oboa me with anwan nso kakra na.
Exactly na. Minim dodo a obesa.
Exactly na. Me sabe ka spoon nso a.
Yes, spoon wa.
Eja wo na kitchen na. Ye besra o.
Oh, ai. There be me no metu ka na ba fie, me no ma besra.
Exactly.
Na wo so hyemen monyam.
Sa.
Ai. Enti e be yi.
Na efuso.
Okay.
Yasa, ye besa anwan no be 4.
Be 4.
Unse we no enye amans. Exactly. Enye amansan aduane nti. We dey fa chill up kakra.
Dey fa chill up pampa.
Ti wadaro ma.
When da.
Em say 4 ni swa.
Sa okay.
E do ma me fa kakra nka ho.
Batia.
Anya da yenko ani anim.
Yenko ani. But aduane na obeye no already.
O say
dey no ho. E dey ho nti no. Dey tie bia na be dey.
Sa
na ndo bi.
Eti ewia na chese. Aye. Tetwitwa chicken no.
Dey be twitwa chicken.
Exactly.
Okay.
Nti sesi na ebe yi chicken no. Na ye twitwa.
Ye be twitwa.
So we be twitwa bia boa me ha.
Then ma me twitwa bi mo ase na
slice
abusuafo Flowking there. Me nua be ma no. You try to say. Inti we say e be am no medicasi o.
You try to slice sa.
Okay.
And so I talk when you want to say I wanted to me afafa chicken.
Yeah, me no na ye 3 no. Say me no kwa ye nyenka ho. Na be dozo.
O de ye nyenka ho. Ye nyenka ho. You wait me twitwa.
Okay.
Na afa.
Twitwa na me. Na afa gum na me twitwa.
Okay. Okay.
Be ma pa onu na ade ho.
Me bom adwuma.
Oh, bom adwuma.
Sa.
Wow. Flo ade ani no be abata efe.
Oh, ache.
Ai.
Ache se samini no.
Ache se samini. Enti ba bi edi ye wendai.
Enti say no. Ewie we no sa no na just say.
Fatu emu no.
Yeah, I was say we dey chicken flavor no.
Minazen.
Yes, minazen. Okay. The chicken flavor no so. Egum. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Exactly.
I know the chicken.
Exactly.
Kameyaka kitchen.
Aye. Say McBrown's kitchen.
Kitchen.
I said I'm making say it when a cow. So ta can't ya cow. Tell the kakra.
The minazen chicken flavor.
Ebe petiso.
Okay. Mama tinye mama.
Tinye mama.
Yeah.
What the petiso sa. Nice afa baby
Afa baby. All right.
To you know. What the afra.
We mama diane.
And boys.
No me dey say unu endo na ujina ho che dey o say we your back rate me ja.
I was a trick and see super.
Okay. I na dey. Inte say
say no the friend is saying. Yeah the garlic ne we mixture no.
Okay.
Yeah the no susu begu.
Yeah no begu.
Ante no ne be about 2 spoons kakra.
All right.
Yeah, be say 3 spoons.
Okay.
Say the mekan no I say indomie no carbohydrate.
Yeah.
Enti no nya bibi say ka ho a na a balance cholesterol level no.
Aye.
Sir.
Balance diet.
Sir.
Sanity and that's about come to the area and
sir.
Say your ginger, garlic, and the onion.
And the diaphragm.
Yes. Pacha young one so say we. Okay. Flowking Stone.
Yeah, your boy Juma.
Hey, mama pa.
And I'll see weird. I'm said yeah in the here salt beer.
Yeah. Wow.
They drew the there. You be kata so. Na enam net me ache.
All right.
Yeah. Ti en kata so na enam ne nche na fe. Yemra chopping no.
Yeah, be
chopping vegetables no.
All right.
Yeah, it's see the one you duty. I had me here more apart because you penintem say fast food.
Fast food. Fast food bar so. Udru anu agina say na ukro.
Ne friend check. Those days no jan she bia be ko bi also.
Ebisi so.
Ntina na ubetwitwa carrots no ne ade ne bia boa me.
Okay.
Me dey na me pemi dey akese.
Minchitwa na
kese. Ai, twitwa na akese mama.
Me ne sama.
Yeah, Juma.
Yeah, boy Juma.
We be meduane.
Aye. Na minchwa no tintin mu ana ni round ana say.
Eju utwa na tintin amepe. Para tintin no amepe.
Because obi on say cooking is art.
Exactly.
It is a way yeah.
You have to. Yeah. Say demo ana fefe kama.
The demo ana fefe.
Aduane de o yeah also man yefe. Na ya kono. Sa.
The boss, me ni ave mama danfo.
Aye.
O si me ntwa na tintin no. Open akese.
Say the demo anu o say bibi dida bibi mu.
Bibi dida bibi mu ampa.
So bibi dida bibi mu ampa.
Bibi dida bibi mu ampa. Aye.
Asemo.
Aye asempa na he. Right up with the say ni ayo no.
Sa we no say no.
Eh ba yo come so we wa de.
You job tie na charo no. Sa say wo mse anya betie de but.
Wo mse aye. E no de ne sa na.
Sa. Ala wo zo ye ma wani. It's good for the eye.
Oh, okay. Internet bushafo. I think say next time menya biochemistry the mepa doctor biaba.
Aye.
Na say. Ono so abeto aso. Wow, yeah, chicken is.
I'm say uhia Dr. Nina nte.
Ani o.
I also the Dr. Nina.
Oh, ono so no. And now I saw be promote two musicians. Why are they?
Aye.
Wabo
Stone Boy
di Samini di.
Yeah, my boss Samini di.
And Dr. Nina nte ono so me obeba.
Oh, obeba.
Doctor.
Dog baba.
Well,
dog you cool man.
Very bad so. McBrown's kitchen.
I saw ni meduane no ade enem. Enem ntimi ka bi ma. Onye brutal 7.
Mr. DJ.
Hey.
Mr. Mami Romeo and Juliet and answer.
Boy, you na.
You say Busianda da.
Aye. Say omunim ginya ase asem no.
Oh, yesi mwacho.
Isi mwache.
Yesi mwache.
I will live for you forever.
We gonna do all things together.
And now,
Romeo and Juliet.
before the time is over. I love.
Romeo and Juliet.
Before the time is over. To twitwa na kese sa say dem kan no a. Sa.
I hope say me twitwa and say dey open no. As a many ajabro so.
Aye. We dey me person be di kind dey makori gum first na. Ahoza.
Yen fa makoni mu.
Fa gum first makono.
Okay, na me twitwa bi mu.
Sa.
Open a kese say ya.
Kese. Na say me dey me say bibia ya kese.
Sorry. I say me na no me say o yire kra won. Ni mu odu me boy.
Di bodu.
Look it. Okay, then me wait me papa mutu.
Fa dia kan.
Yen fa dia kan. Okay, no so the pepper ni gumu first.
But some of the pepper gum first.
With the good chicken ne ho first. Oh, okay. It's your chicken, it's smelling good. Your chicken now come.
Somebody can catch you say. Me am ba ha na die.
Obi ama ha o te say
Obi no wa wetimi.
It's here the emeko no gum. And na bibia ya chopping.
Sa.
Ye twitwa bibia. Into the meko no e na ekomu no.
Sa. Yeah. Yeah, nti na me pese mekodi kom wo ze we ye emema aduane.
Yes.
Pese mekodi kom esa wo ba ase a. Me anga za be sheda mo ase but e boys ni bedi no bo ase a.
O mo bo ase a.
Na achi. Sa.
Sesamini.
Enkasa. Na yam pese be na fi anye de na fi fo do mo ho agim. We nse fi fo no ma edem bo twi nyum.
If you for the man, Adam board and chewing.
Adam, if you for the two more than butching.
Adam, and then shout out to you, Stoneboy, Samini, Dr. Neil and Adam, and then shout out to
Jamwa can move.
That's how you yam what I say.
To say they are cut out with a swim, me say, me could come. It's the say, yeah, the way to be good swim.
Okay.
Now, I
toast na enye biana.
I bet you trying toast no so.
You bet you trying
toast no so na.
We need to say it together.
Sir.
Together. Wow. And I biana be the papa. Biana e be ya dan ka mo.
Bo menana.
Flowking. We are too much. I am. Now new song is so anya bad o.
Me da sin nana.
Anya bad. How did you get the concept? Romeo Juliet. JJ ni kunedu. Kufone terizo.
One love. Sir.
One love.
I say we share ya man penya dada JJ Rollins. Any wifey kunedu. Nana kunedu a we omudo efe mo gina musu ache. Yes.
Omudo mu na so.
Ache na Romeo and Juliet is story in the na dada.
Bible pen entimi entwa no to san kasa story no cover Bible.
Na
me asempe.
O man panyi kofo so ne ne wife. Ahenti. Oni nyina ohwemu aye odo ba ko na one love.
Say no na ma hu so ye songwriter.
Sa. Nti ho na iti fa free Romeo one ya be fa ho.
Sa.
Yes, sa.
Pa cho ye wi ho. Etwitwa bibia wi. All right.
Come on.
Flowking Stone Special Indomie. And they also McBrown's kitchen. Ding.
To wait by the Chef Stone.
Chef Stone.
Yeah. Shamotana from Chef Stone.
How, Chef Stone.
Yeah, fra come on. Yeah.
Into a back heavy.
Yeah, it
all right. Oh, wow.
So me catch you.
The corner woman.
It's right. It's right.
Aye. Oh, some once I'm a corner, said an hour. Say,
I was say, come, Bembe, and you.
Sana make.
Sir, I was in the bus here. Not him, Naba. And the doctor say, I know a bus here. I know a bus here. To be say, or a brad penny. To invite to so many BBC also to Mamma Coco. Sana religia.
Why I did.
Tinanamo. We don't Daroma.
When you have to
see the you know vegetables no the begum.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Me family na.
Yam fangum.
Na Indomie special time na be.
So bo ni mam kakra na. I won say vegetables no. Yam pese ebe no abebre na emu ahoden no afri mu. Nti the gum ana the nsu agum na fe the Indomie na tum. Ti say Indomie 3 minutes no. Na no so cook vegetables no. the same time.
Okay,
so,
the same time.
So no na minerals ne ade na vegetables
no.
no.
Na so dia na no bibia be no bia wa say.
Sa aduane we wodi wie na o yare na nkwa.
Ko hu doctor.
Nkasa. Sa.
Okay. Pepper chicken.
Yeah, pepper
And then
chicken.
aduane pepper. But it's flavor no keke. And I said the why.
Some white fruit.
Mama nyama.
Ah, to bet my.
Ndo ni bi enya ya. O so ha ne ha. Why say?
Ti no me na nkasa de, eno de bia ya duru de emze ku enim pa. Endo bu mu a. I say man ano. Yesu mo time no bu mu say a. De suafo no bia pe ne de.
There be no near the call round. Eno we bu ni de kakra.
Eno si.
Eno na say Obu I was here yes when no obu the ferry obu ketu.
Ah, dey be kan fra.
And I be jama hit no abode wo mu kakra.
O de mama mfa ha no fra kakra nsa. Mse.
Okay.
Bon se
kind dominations.
Sa pepe na mbese me.
Wow.
O hwe aduane na nimu anwo ze colors ni dia dance. I say World Cup no. So colors exactly.
Oh no, who just is ahodo.
To we go bet my friend the World Cup. Aduane no.
The World Cup
Indomie World Cup.
Indomie.
Because colors room.
Indomie World Cup. Aye. Okay. You be kataswa
yeah.
Say
Perfect. They do it.
Wow. Ebusuafo. Flowking. Waten nsa no. Wa beti nanim kama. Wa wie ni Indomie. Say the wasi aye Indomie no. Wa mana ya akono. Nyame anim ni because we hufa so pa na bode kakra.
I can't wait.
Ebejeja no.
I can't wait.
Amana ye kama.
Those days you can think on. We be na Madam Stacy di your brow champion. Obono bibi say bi mrebi.
Stacy amwati.
No.
Spaghetti no dey nya ni kru.
Dey tea and so be ware.
Indomie no dey nya ni kru no. Chami.
We fella me ya ma no.
E na wo so a waka asem no dey ya mpa.
Oh, ade say na me ho.
Stacy so dey odi agode dey no beju.
Say na me ho.
Me kai that time.
Ade.
Then times
way back. That happened and I am in a Masha Mates abafufu. Open the buy.
Yanko ya chikaka. Yang more simple. My baby simple.
It's me to rap na.
Cham rap.
Okay. Then they see me big stone but in the arms I feel like a newborn. Hey, she be fresh like a new song, like a new dawn, like a newborn, so on. Hey, show the way too strong. Oh man, for the chin can't fall. At a articulator, I overload, Waka road. Yo, I dash W, double L dash W, D dash W, I NIFRED. Go. If you for baby the team, so do other teams. So go.
Chale.
Yeah.
Yabre. Na kwenta want to say.
Oh, nyame adom.
Kwenta ho.
I'm not busy why more cry why
tall be
why fan boy.
Meteshia no.
In fact, ono party na kan aduane pe hedi.
Oh, no fa na mama na
aduane je say some kwchere banku bi na oba be. Je say
I was there for McBrown's kitchen near me pa cha muntwa Romeo and Juliet baako na yem fa commercial break na yem na capella ma the rap no
we say odobo menyum bi de na me so me harmonize ye de odokom di mi ye kitikiti bechi mi o na ma me bibi de me sumobo inke omudi matem kra me I don't care hey me ba be show nchen instead say me the boys ne be kwakwa rinse
no bra
o mama tadua mama tene den say no bo me din ma me feel gbenze me bonyu mama wa ma wato ne sente I said that chicken ho insabo denche
insabo
pretty bad I'm gonna for you forever. We're gonna do all things together. Hey, Romeo and Juliet. There's a liquid that you. Go for the days. I love. Romeo and Juliet. There's a liquid that you. Go for the days.
kitchen. Ediane fed.
Wama busua mu no. Obia pa de pa bebre.
I'm home.
Me dear, adepa bia yema mabusua no. Me pe no bebre. Enu nti eba na aduane no ade a. Me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix. Enya aduane no de keke o. Enyane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a yema nipadua no wo mu. When you nechi dear biona mehwehwe.
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use enrich tasty tom, tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty tom, emediane yede, eyema also.
High sense, everyday price.
World Cup no dey yan qualify. Me ti ase, anu ntrese ye ntimi nhwe bi. High Sense TV wo hoy. Ye ba hwe na ya hwe no clear. If it's 8th April, I copy World Cup na wiye. High Sense TV bia, size bia. Ya titi swama wo say. Enu na waka no. Say, High Sense dear, wo dia asemo. Me dia ni ji semasan ya ba. Bora High Sense showroom bia. TV na ya tete so no. Ko Tobi, nenya o DSTV, Go TV, Kwese TV decoder. Free. The choice is yours. Russia 2018 dear. What show High Sense TV so therefore? And TV I will tell you 5 years warranty dear. High Sense near the bio. Let that suit High Sense, official sponsor of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. High Sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Mommy, me how? I don't know what my was saying. That's fine. There's a band out here, Biani. Oh, I can say I mean, can't you? Men are food spices. And none as is here, air tricking. Oba baby is so when you be whole kitchen. Say the bear will be to me quadruple. What I say? Now, that be over here. What did he? One way. Men are jollof flavor. Men are chicken flavor. Men are fish flavor. Now, the other devil, any lion's nutmeg powder.
Menazi food spices. What shema warrior man.
Men say, now will be new if it's a with menazen. Any lion's nutmeg powder. What will you cry?
Naturally, there is a meek to everyone. Everyone has a unique strength. Everyone comes with a unique spice. That unique spice that urges you to slice more out of life. Your ingredients are unlike any other. And when they come together, they create a whole new wonderful you. It's your way. Love it your way. Indomie tastes great.
Indomie 70-gram pack is only 1 Ghana cedi.
Sɛ yɛka yɛn nsa bɔ mu a, ɛno na ɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛyɛ baako. Ɛno na ɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛgyina hɔ, yɛgye tum, yɛka bɔ mu yɛ baako. Ɛfiri sɛ yɛn nsa ka bɔ mu a, yɛn akoma nso aka abɔ mu. Na sɛ yakoma bɔbɔ mu a, nneɛma a ntumi nyɛ yie, tumi yɛ yie. Awake purified drinking water bottle baako biara a wobeto no. Yɛde sika no bi boa National Cardio Center a ɛwɔ Kolebu. Casapreco Company Limited nsa no adwuma pa baako ni. Awake purified drinking water, one for life. delay sardine. Peche like that.
McBrown's Kitchen. Ediane pedo, ayampa. Ediane pede. Ebusuafo ye ediane no aye ready. Flowking Stone and the Flowking special vegetable indomie no aye ready. And ma setting fe. Yeah, ba abedidi am na ye fe. And flow medase.
And I'm medase.
Medase so much. Medase dodo. What try me odosron kokwa. Me plate me be hye ne ma. Na so ahye wo de no ma. Obi andibi. What I say ne nkwa ye di. Na we for munim say. I'm selfish
with you.
You're selfish with the food.
Selfish with you. Yeah.
And then another can promise us one. Oh, I was there for McBrown's Kitchen here, and then any cancake, delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay mackerel, delay sardine, Minazen food spices, tasty Tom, and Indomie instant noodles. I no been in the year by baby, I ain't coming. Sounds on a high sense, everyday prices for the everyday people. And I just say, everyday people. And no, boyfriend and mommy de McBrown's Kitchen, Ebro Flow.
Nana.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And then we watch a brave mount. But first of all, me ni apenye akuma mama Zimbi obaha na me jana chedie ni wom. Inti akuma, I take this opportunity. Nama present wa chedie from High Sense. Everyday prices, everyday people. High Sense say, me mau iron, na minsa mau
cooker,
gas cooker, ane ebi wa High Sense. Amcom, my catch was a High Sense in your Amcom. Sani atiti a TV so World Cup yi. Kwa na kwaje wodie na nye fefe. Enti akuma mesra wonsa beka on nema no wate. Fache me say oba ye no aso ashinti no. Na any around. But Flow.
Nana.
Said ya me yama akuma no. Sa na McBrown's Kitchen. Ebe ya mau. Ane di kind. High Sense. Say me mau iron yi. Na me mau cooker ibe na. Na te say ukofia. Wodi ya window me. Now the way so ko show a. Oto atade na wishira High Sense. I show you a celebrity. Uye nipa metumi safro na sawa ma na sawa na wayo Stone, I think say this all boa me. Yeah, toss to bio. Tasty Tom. Tasty Tom say me fan your main count. You be she ni nyina o kon na into your hand ba. Boa me.
Your best you.
Your best you. Anu ye. Eje number 1 ne. Maware. Papa. Mina zinne.
Maware.
Minazen food spices.
But I was it.
Oh, what then? What the first one yo?
Hey.
Eje.
Nana Ibra.
Number 3.
Yeah, will be Ibra.
What ya? Papa. Delay mackerel. Any delay sardine.
Papa.
Delay. And of womuko jaswa. Monto delay mackerel, delay sardine. Na mun support to a fear delay. And young girl obo no more than said the McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown me ye support to your home. Bemena.
Me know ya dream. Delay why there. O say supporting no pa. To me Korea share.
Me na nampa don penim. Sardine so. Delay mackerel.
Nampa don penim.
Delay sardine peche like that.
Okay, no yes sir.
And me new one.
That's it.
No akwa ma me wie ha. Okay. Mesa to me sa fro bio bemena. Me niam egu ha yi. Every awake purified mineral water. Awake water. Awake nsu a hote na nsu a uto ba ko ayeyimu 1 person at the bois
hospital
Kalebu Cardio Center. Intino media mani kan mani je say enne ye benum di gamaka se benum delay ye benum awake purified water awake so omunie royal apple and royal orange
we say me life pa
intino enne man nyina ka ho e ka High Sense dey so e ya odia
madam was say dem say me here pick up And then I pick up another caravan.
And then you hear caravan. And I'm a can of McBrown's kitchen. But yeah, me too suffer when me throw a dome. Me jack one dome because me person will do a double check Ghana for and near my Diane. Adriana, yeah. Said you were Diana, near my dear boy, no. Nah, out of 4 swiding. Head to me, I should be. Flo,
Anna,
ye be didi. Where Diana, no, why you know. Yamia Nimni. Some will fear and come stand and come you. Obia, come stand and come in. So the Miami dear want to meet him there.
I that's it.
In 10 years. The same style. There was a performance for because you have performance for the BA insurance.
I don't want to say the tea or switching them. Also keep in the room.
Oh,
also be a one
that's one idea will be there.
Obi wa go so slay at the end. I don't know and that's a slay. Oh, slay.
Yes, slay awake, yes, slay. Wow. And you be slay Indomie no so. Me come best dress me camera you be call aduane mu ama me. Flow. Nyame shira.
Amen.
Indomie pepper chicken. Abba. Flow.
Ana.
Wa bo aduane no.
But that's it.
Wa bo aduane no. Hey. O say Indomie kwa abefa so abaye ne ma hu say. We yam paying for the na wutimi ye no man ye mofra so de. Say nyo enkola de bi o muntumi pepe. Flow me serve.
We dey adorma.
Me serve o.
So mama fie ai.
Efie ni fie. Wow, Flow. Why na ada wonya no ma ovi ha na. Ana nua wa ni tra.
I'm say.
Abo bi person de be de.
I'm say anyum to no eni no man nam.
Ana am fa bi kam.
Me there mini DP kakra bi. Debi mini DP.
Where dey na do?
Kakra.
I was for Flowking Stone. The special vegetable Indomie. Eno na the flow. Be unia ba na. Yem fan hye so.
Sa.
Ane. Ene de. Ne aye ntimi fa me sanili. Nti no ye kura ayi dade.
Sa.
Fuck you na say. Ye can hye. Indomie. There's so many ways I bet no I be your day.
No, me am pa you so.
Anyo. Na sense so cry, ma hwe ase.
It is a room for you.
I rather tear the name of my end where yesterday. Amen. Amen. I bet me. Hey, what's I prophet can answer?
Very prophet therefore as if but 3 prophet 4.
Stone. Come on anyway.
Wow.
What's your kill? What's your kill?
I mean, yes, viewers no remember tasty.
Flow. That's a certain kind.
No, me must but I am a sound kind depending on a Juma.
Okay.
I must say, my release a new song say no.
Okay.
I was a bank kind of push.
Yeah.
To be shame kakra and my push ya and my sako kumasi.
Oh, okay.
Masako ye kumasi dear.
Oh, okay.
Me, I say me in and out. But we hear me on crying, so I'm mewa. Oh, that's it. Say, so be a pie now, hear me, I'm wa. Say, hear me, baby, I hear me be a meba. But mainly, dear, me a kumasi.
Real
kumasi.
Nah, to say, Yana, what releasing you, me, biochemist. What through posting? Okay, I'll go back to the post now. I know it's why in part time.
Me plan is me and Cassam be me baby. I'd say be a lab on the other day.
Okay.
Because so I am home, Juma. Not because they're no crew say. A man, I mean, we are hospital in the lab near there. No, me not time when you was so cool for no bread. But not me anyway, but now my area near that day.
Yeah.
I'm tear me near there. So at the point I had to focus. I remember many back over what was in the red to animals and never.
Also, concentrate on back
for some time.
Doing time
For some time. They say now. They say they stable kakra. Now say my introduce you a sardian. No. You know I'm making for by come saying, but for now the chemical formula not say rap anymore.
I know that's a rap no.
2 team rap. I brand was to say what to the boss say again.
Why upgrade too much?
Scientific formula no wrap him.
Oh, wrap ni mwamba. Stone ye Kumasi ni. Stone uko suku bibia Kumasi.
Yes.
Flowking.
Yeah, me call Grace Baptist. Primary. And I call Matters of Uganda. And I call Prempe College.
Okay.
And I'm the KUST pass.
Oh, okay. Ena ye nim se wo sa abonyum. Ena wadu anyum to no sha se yebe.
It's not that the 1996.
E wo monjan.
Even before then, I'm tuning more Sunday school. But I'm not dream maso. But maybe I'm saying is that buy no. Now, me na me tutu ni rap obi ni ade ti be fie beto e. Remember na your jam kwa me ne Kofi jam mo ho. Me ye rap, yeah. Me ye rap no on so say on so ya ade o. Omo so na omo be rap for those things no ma started another.
Okay.
Hey, to ni rent me tutu bia ye na afa de a. And me ntwa bi nka ho. Never go competition bi ba. Kida first 96 e o Kumasi. Never unko.
Who go Kida first?
Eti omo yes omo de me kwa na ikunta so se dem wa ono so ese ono so ye no so ese de me ye no so betima e ne friend no so ye ne say na so ya de
And mo mase mo.
na mo kan ye bom ti ne friend a chame ma na that time na for no ne friend whiskers first.
Okay.
Whiskers no first ne friend your chame kwa me whiskey no mo de whiskers na ma.
Okay.
To kwa kam di sene ba ni ade chi na omo achame omdi achama ne achame no ene efre yen so achame ma.
Okay.
Te ko kam di simbia na ewe ni
achame ma we ana we
enti eho 96 ena engemo na 2001 mi we SS no ena that time no mo aboche ena mo sende sky crash yemfa record. Yeah, first album.
Oi.
And 2003 they released their first song. The feature Nana friend and Mr. Rutan.
Oh, okay.
I'm more a US and on never so in Sadia called Zamaleto, a dear bank crime. I'm Mr. Rutan could take time, say no, or the other, or church 1 or 2. The never called us Zamaleto feature and a friend about. That's the first time I buy you buy 2003.
Wow.
We need a friend or don't know. If you try Rutan and a friend.
Obekai.
What guys are you?
The guy ba Obekai rap ba.
I'm the Makona Drus a level binti. My yesterday.
Romeo and Juliet.
My yesterday I must smash.
Was best.
To me really come from Wakra.
Okay.
Never you boys left free.
Wow.
Yeah, but when your friend or don't know. 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 Hey, we are there. Okay.
Okay. I never heard so business.
Okay. Yeah. It's ended 2003.
Okay.
To 2005. In the first hit song, which is Wangalo.
Wangalo, dear Mimpo.
Okay. Then you feature Ochame Kwame and oh lady way. Can you now feature about when you more money ding? Tina go I could don't treat no that lumba mo feature and I am money. A ma be brave or you money more money. Yeah, baby. Oh, me ref
Wajanyum to
I think so too, but I'm sorry or the call gospel after a while.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so any feature in it, you're there no buy and no a hit here. That's 2005.
Okay. And so simple, baby.
Simple Babe 2009.
Oh, okay.
Before simple, no. Yeah, you fro don. There be flash me fro kapu papa.
Hey, what's him watch?
Yes, that time na crunk music aba.
Yeah.
And there be if we the wrong things. Overseas to the motherland. Yeah, run things. Asana simple no money.
I say be unity.
What's the same money at the idea you never become?
Hey, mo wanyum.
Baby.
Wow.
Yeah. And the story if you only free ba.
Ele nyamia zo hafa odo aba. Yeah. But you say you buy your black current. Flowking Stone. We dey net there. But still you be din ko.
Ba so no. Ento bi ba no be aduane fon a be na interview say.
You wi am too for. You wi am too for.
Na me tie.
Say e bia formula no. Ebi enen bi ana opentem 19 baby akọchima. But a show from na hu se bia you are good and as we do and enye da na aduane fun bia so ma ha.
They make sense. You say as a wood there you say nyanya da. I problem.
Flow ebi next time no. For we go man as for but say dey o hye o nema no. Me bo vegetable no me te.
Ache.
Nye pache. Na flow say no woni adina na agikro ya boso. Eme na kafra.
We be say normal.
Normal.
Kumasi ne be say normal. No. Say normal.
Where do you see Kumasi for the black flank. Anyone one am oh. Ade. Na no mu to nyom no. Flowking aba goro.
Oh, the vengeance na nya no ko.
Mo kwa Kumasi for there. Say
bia no dey say. We want bia to go. Goro.
Tanyum we by lean back. Lean back. Kumasi for a lean back. Lean back. Yeah, Pamo Chow.
And maybe obi Ekasen and Nama Pancrown. And Kumasi in the guy.
David too.
Kumasi in the guy and Nama Pancrown.
Was they say only a dinner video no papa. One of your mouth, what dear cow?
Yeah.
Yeah,
cow.
Some share video me set up. I love part now on the bottles, necessary new
yeah.
Oh, so romantic.
But I say video do try KP Salon.
Oh,
okay. Or a young guy, you come use Jemo Angela name.
On the try.
Or don't know me that didn't only try. Or a young guy, but a very dedicated. KP Salon.
KP Salon. K. Me wa me baby am the number. Na me bua na me frau. Enyim ska. K.
Kezozi.
Enyim so em fa de odi yom no mma me ho. Na ye moa e ho ne ye adwuma no.
I'm fine. Enti KP ana do e set design no. Scarecrow.
Minim scarecrow. Scarecrow there. Osimunya nne o brafo sam te ya.
Scarecrow.
Shout out Scarecrow. Yeah. Me am nipa no.
Exactly.
Wo dress asema make obi katra na ni ba gini trimu sa. Madam for ha we nipa.
Scarecrow nipa.
O nipa on mind.
True. And na juma so ku ne ho ye.
There be open juma to say McBrown's si here.
Ampa. Kan
Scare.
Ampa.
On yes I don't know man the concept no coffee so on na crop be yard deliver. Come on.
Naska o de be kan ho no, o de aka ne ho.
Yeah.
Fan kan ho de a. Like Rasta man. On twuma.
Sure. Rasta man no they give chance.
That's 7 of any. But we juma no.
You see much e movie be wa.
Really?
I could say oh yes, was so much. Enti say you promote Romeo and Juliet.
I friend One Love.
One Love. Aye.
And I say we One Love.
I am for football so. And I said Kofoni Teresa and I JJ ne kunadu.
Sir.
And then you promote One Love and Flow. Yemre no aso.
Oh.
Na.
To see you.
Who say me say for frana.
We are not there.
Me reverse time no.
We are make kukura de na kwenti man have.
Flow. And them am dia man na chu be fendo mi akọ.
Yeah.
Benjamin
Bezo.
Mama tasty tom. Mama delay mackerel, delay sardine. Mama awake purified water.
Oh, the boys are nice. I say when you brand.
Let's come here, Mama. Mama high says. Mama high says. I mean name you. What's that fed dia na flow. Me da so buy pana. Me person be share me camera we mo. Now last word for Ghanaians and now will be so ni so awoya few seconds what dia eja kwan.
Da mo asese ma support me a me nuanu nyina ma support ya che. Ye si mo nyene. Da mo ase. Stress mo ko so support ye. Ye nipa toribu ai fom. Ye fom a mo hwe na mo fa nche na ye sua na ye se ko anim. Eno ho na new one na me dia bani. The friend One Love. Odobako. And na me boy JJ ne ayi o me de omu nyina ye adwuma.
Yes.
And me feature Adina. Ono so boy no homodin pa. And na KP Salom the try video. And na Dr. Ray and the boy beat no. Nti uko YouTube sisi bi o mo nyina mo ko YouTube na mo correct.
Download.
Flowking Stone featuring Adina.
Fire
ringtone. Fire bibia because anyum na me bo mamo. Ayi odo nyuma. Obetimi de agege wani. Nti kohwehwe Flowking Stone featuring Adina. One Love.
Flowking Stones last week we didn't pardon. Last question.
We need part of Kwaku in Sian Boama.
Kwaku Sian Boama.
In Sian, yeah. 6 in Sian Boama.
Sian Boama. Yeah, that's say. Said me wa be ma indomie. Aye de. Na aye nika. Na wa magana for Sian bibi foforo kra. Na me shira flow. Ghana for Madam Wase so. Some mo share McBrown's kitchen, mommy. Na me shira mo. Said the name and baby McBrown's kitchen. Ediane pede no. Madam Wase e kire say mo Jimmy show ya tum. Sanse mo domi. Monta me chisa na mon supporters kwasia da bi atna TV ho. Time will be out better see you McBrown's kitchen be atna TV ho. Sanity. Me da awake purified water as say. Me da tasty tongue for as say. Me da delay mackerel, delay sardine. Delay say so person market me product ni bi wo Kumasi a. Ko Instagram mame so uni mu amabanko ho no hwehwe nma. And next week we me the delay number betuja. Now our friend now only delay aye business. Sa na Minazen food spices. Eno na ye dia boy aduane ya kitchen aye hwam. Na aduane na ye de. Spices a e wodwa so a anu so ye de na hodi wom. Minazen eno nie. Ansa na Indomie instant noodle. And na ye di chicken flavor. And chicken idea. Inti no aduane ekom de wa enhwe babia pe Indomie pe vegetable count said na yaye na bibia enkoye ma. As that PSC come high sense everyday prices for everyday people. Adofo World Cup eBay me Madam High Sense ye TV no matete so ma say who je wodi ansa na World Cup na twam. Me srama mo frame me for discount. Me ni me boss akasa me pay for akasa ya tete so say who e wo just High Sense the product back ni amcom TV na bi na bodan ho ne kuka nie ai enti no ko na ko High Sense show na ho amcom a ni nua no nta ta ne wo ho Madam Wase McBrown's kitchen e wo YouTube wa daroma enne season ya wo hwe season 3 season 1 and 2 ni nyina wo McBrown's kitchen pa chaw e wo ho ko hwe e ma me na subscribe wo mi YouTube channel sa na McBrown's kitchen ye wo Instagram TBBA ni na sa pound one reverse yourself because you rewind go back there and you find us. Thank you so much. My name is Nana McBrown. I'm definitely going to come your way next week. But before that, I have to say thank you to my makeup artist, Aligina Makeover. My hair is from Beauty Bowl Salon in Dansoman. And my beautiful dress, simple dress, is from Royal Couture. Yes. Now, my publicity, I work and as I work chroma, billboard, no. Apple pie publicity, you tell me free. And Sana, Nyonyo, so a mommy crew with Diane. Just say, me huni amenka. I mean, sure, Nyonyo. Inti, so so be a Diane more for party, if you Nyonyo a chakra. Sana La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. Madam Wase. Now, McBrown, me crew, me don't want to Madam Wase pa. Not a farm motion, you wish ya. Now, I just said, me dog be real in making money. Brief.
We guy. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to Kano. Get it bow. So when you no am I in here? Yet to Kano. Get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.